Hello kids. Do you remember the story of the lion and the mouse? Do you remember the tiny mouse who helped the lion? Will you like to make that small little cute mouse with me? Today I will show you how to make the cute mouse. So let's begin. So to make the mouse, we are going to need one blue circle, one square blue paper, scissors, pencil, sketch pen, Fevicol, 2 yellow circles, 2 small white circles, 1 medium orange circle, 1 big black strip and 3 small black strips. That's all that we're going to need. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my circle, okay, and from the center I'm going to draw a line here, which is the so I'm just going to draw this line and I'm going to cut on that particular line. Okay, so I'm going to cut here up to the center. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to make a small cone. So can you see, I'm just overlapping these two corners and I'm going to make a small cone like this. Alright, so let's put Fevicol here. Okay, and I'm just going to overlap this and stick it here. Okay, there. Can you see this point has come up? Okay, this is how we want to do it. So I'm going to place this here. Now I'm going to take my so the cone is ready. Now I take the next paper and fold it in half. Okay, I've drawn a shape here like the heart and I'm going to cut it. Okay, so if you open this, it should look like this, and I'm going to fold it like this. Okay, so I'm just taking this edge and I'm folding it here. Okay, so when I open it, I'm going to have the ears of the mouse. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly paste this on the cone. Alright, let's see. Okay, I add Fevicol here and let's paste this on the cone. There. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so these are the ears of the mouse. Now I'm going to quickly add my yellow circles to the ears. Okay. So I'll add one over here on one ear and the next on the other ear. Okay, is this clear? Alright, now let's add the eyes. Now for the eyes, I have taken 2 white circles and I'm going to draw the black pupil inside the eyes. Okay, like this. So I'm doing it on both the eyes, on both the white circles. Alright, see. And now I'm going to paste this onto the mouse. Okay, one eye, and now the second one. Okay, can you see your mouse is getting ready? Now what I want to do is I'm going to take these 3 small strips, black strips, okay, and I'm going to place them like this because these are the mustache of the mouse. Alright, so what I'll do is I'm going to staple this in the center, okay, alright, like this. Then I will take the orange nose and I'm going to paste it on this, okay. So here it goes like this, okay. Now if you feel it's too big, you can just cut these edges on both the sides. All right, yeah. Now I'm going to paste my nose onto the mouse, so roughly around here, the nose and the whiskers, okay. So I'm going to paste it here like this. The mouse is getting ready. Now I will take the big black strip for the tail, okay, and I'm going to take my pencil on one edge and I'm going to roll this edge. Can you see I'm rolling this edge? Yes, and I'm going to slightly cut off this part of the tail. So I have a rolled up tail like this. Can you see? Yeah, and I'm going to stick this to the mouse, okay. So I'm going to paste it here, okay, like this, and my mouse is ready and it moves here and there. Sweet little mouse is ready. Can you see? So this is your little sweet mouse. Will you try it at home and show it to me? Okay, the mouse says bye bye.